Restoring Love with Anchal.
Hi guys, I'm Anchal Kakkar. Welcome back. I hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to talk about two beautiful cards in the tarot deck, which are the Tower and the second is Queen of Swords. These two cards are a very beautiful cards in the deck. I was just doing a general reading for today's present situation. I got these two cards, plus I got a very beautiful card after that. That was Queen of Pentacles. So yes, what these cards indicate, right now we are so negative about the situation. I know this is a negative situation and we all are passing a time, right? But again guys, अगर हम इतने negative हो जाएंगे and we become so directionless, how will things work out? We know what's going on, we are very well aware, our inner conscious is awakened, we know how to deal with it. So when we know how to deal with it, why are we getting directionless? Why are we getting scared? We have to be very strong enough to face it. Because अभी जो present situation चल रहा है, there is a transformation, there is a change which is inevitable. We have to accept this change. We have to take this change in ourselves and accept it. ज़रूरी नहीं है हम इतना नेगेटिव बोलते हैं 2020 खत्म हो जाए, जल्दी खत्म हो जाए 2020. I hope this year ends. We put on so many pictures on the social media, on the social handles. We do so much so that 2020 gets over, right? But why? Why? This is my question. Why being so negative? You are sending negative vibes to the universe. So yes, universe also saying, ठीक है, if you are being so negative 2020 is such a difficult year. So you know, this year problems extending. I will just say stay positive. I'm not saying आप पूरा time पूजा करिए, आप पूरा time बस मांगते रहिए, but just stay positive. 2020 is definitely not a very bad year. Yes, this year has taught us the meaning of relationships. This year has taught us the meaning of spending time with our family. This year has taught us, you know, being close to each other. It's just not about society, socially active all the time. This year has taught us being together and enjoying the personal relationships with people instead of just being on the phone and just all the time being active everywhere and not spending time with your family. So इस साल ने हमें बहुत कुछ सिखाया क्योंकि there's a beautiful transformation coming the way. बहुत अच्छी transformation आने वाली है soon. So guys, please trust this process. As these cards say, that process को ट्रस्ट करो और जो ये चेंज है, ये चेंज बहुत ही अच्छा होने वाला है हम सबके लिए. अभी हमें नेगेटिव लग रहा है, बट विद द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम हमें खुद रियलाइज होगा कि एवरीथिंग्स गॉन फॉर गुड. आई नो द इकोनॉमी, एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट शफल्ड, द लाइफ ऑफ पीपल हैव टर्न्ड अपसाइड डाउन. बट बहुत ईजिली होता है किसी चीज में नेगेटिव ढूंढना, राइट? इसलिए आई ऑलवेज रिकमेंड एंड ऑलवेज से, जब तक हम ये चीज पॉजिटिव नहीं करेंगे, तब तक हम पॉजिटिव बोलेंगे नहीं, बिलीव नहीं करेंगे, तब तक वो चीज होगी भी नहीं हमारे आसपास. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एज द टैरो कार्ड इज जस्ट अ गाइडेंस. इन माई अर्लियर वीडियोज ऑल्सो आई मेंशन्ड अबाउट टैरो कार्ड्स, how they are your best friends and how they can guide you properly. So again, the tarot card is just giving us a guidance that, you know, this time is going to get over. Accept the transformation and it's a beautiful time is going to come ahead. A very beautiful, a very good time is going to come ahead. So guys, you know how to do your precautions well. So stay safe, do all the precautions. We all are together. We all are facing this together, and this shall get over very soon. You know, just do not say negative. कोरोना हमें ना हो जाए, कोरोना हमें ना हो जाए. सी जिसको होना है वो तो होना ही है, राइट? बट हाँ, प्रिकॉशंस आप डेफिनेटली मेंटेन करिए. अगेन द ओनली थिंग इज स्टे पॉजिटिव. वन मोर टिप आई लाइक टू गिव एवरीबडी, या दैट अपने घर में जरूर एवरी डे कपूर जरूर जलाइए. कैम्फर, सो जस्ट वन स्मॉल पीस ऑफ कैम्फर, उसको आप जलाइए. बी केयरफुल व्हेन यू डू दैट. सो प्लीज उसको आप बर्न करिए एंड जब उसके फ्यूम्स आप पूरे घर में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करिए, so you will see the positivity coming in your house, positive vibrations coming in your house, flowing into your house, you know. And one more, even tej patta is very helpful. That is basil leaf. That's also very helpful. So any of these two you do, like आप कभी camphor कर लो, कभी tej patta कर लो. So it's very good. Tej patta is also good for your relationships improvement. So burn these in the evening time. Just a little bit. It's just spread the fume all over your home or your office, wherever you are. There's definitely a positivity will be attracted towards it, and things will work out very well. Stay safe, stay healthy, and take all your precautions. Bye guys, take care. if you like this video, please follow and subscribe. Thank you.